Good morning everyone. This is Akshita KN from Aryabhat section 4th semester. Today I am presenting this merge sort algorithm, one of the most important sorting technique of computer science. Now let us know what is merge sort. Merge sort is compression based on the sorting algorithm that follows the division and conquers prediction. It congeals the division the array into the small parts, sorting them individually, and finally merge them into the sort array. It effectively stables and maintains the consistent time complexity of 0 n log n, making it suitable for large data set. Next slide is how much sort works. Let me now explain how much sort works in detail. It follows three key steps. Divide. We keep dividing the array into the two wholes unitly. We reach subarrays that have just one element. Those are inheritance sorts. Next is conquers. We recognize sort each subarrays. This part is sample because single element array are already sorted. And next is merge. Finally, we merge those sorted arrays back together into the correct order to produce the final sorted array. This approach helps reduce to problem consumption by the solving smaller, more manageable checks first and then combining them. Merge sort pseudocode. Here is the pseudocode for merge sort. The merge sort function tells three parameters. The array in the left indicates and right indicate. It finds the mid part of recognizing call itself for the two holes. The merge function combines the two sorts by the compressing element one by one, places the smallest element into the original array. This is the heart of the algorithm, and its where sorted actually happen during its merge place. The pseudocode helps to understand how this recognize and merge is intervened in the merge sort. Visual representation. Visualizing merge sort helps to solidify our understanding. Let's say we have the array 38, 27, 43, 3, 9, 82, and 10. We begin it splitted with the arrays represently down to individual elements 38, 29, 43, 3, 9, 82, and 10. Then we start merge while sorting. Then in the final step we merge all sorted subarrays into the to get completely sorted like 3, 9, 10, 27, 38, 43, and 82. This step this top-down true tree representation clearly shows how we divide and conquers work in the merge sort. Time complexity analysis. Merge sort has consist time complexity of 0 n log n in the three cases, but best, average, and worst. Hereby, at every concurrence level, we splitted the array into the two wholes. This gives the log 2n level. Merge takes 0 n at the time of two each levels. So overall, this time complexity is 0 n log n. This prediction makes sorting relatable For the large scale applications, unlike sorting, it does not decrease the worst cases. Here we can see the time complexity of the cases. Best that completes the time complexity of 0 n log n, like that. Space complexity analysis. One downside of the merge is its space complexity. Merge is not an in the place algorithm. It need ON extra space for temporary algorithm, while the merge there is the temporary arrays to store the left and right subarrays before the combine them. All through this is not big issues with the linked list or small data sets. For very large arrays, the space is requirement because of consistent comparison to algorithm like sorted quick sort, which only use 0 log n accurately space. When we use merge sort, now let's talk about when we use merge sort right choice. When you when you need a stable sort means this relevant relative order of the equal elements in the prescript. It's ideal for the large data set, especially when quick sort in the place of advantages of weight overweighted, but its unstable nature. External sorting uses merge sort when the data is stored in the disk and memory is limited. Also, merge sort is greater option for the sorting linked list, as it does not require the random access and does not need additional space. Merge sort on linked list. One of the best use case for merge sort with is linked list. Here the merge sort outer performance quick sort because linked list cannot include the arrays, which quicksort releases on. Merge sort does not require external space with the linked list. It rearranges the node point instantly. So in this seminar, like sorted employees record or large texted data stored in the linked structure. Merge sort is in the go-to choice. To conclude, merge sort is a powerful and reliable sorted algorithm that demonstrates the effectiveness of the divides and conquers approach. It gradually zero n log n performance across all cases and maintains stability. Makes it makes it suitable for the both thought understanding for the real world application. Through it uses more spaces, it benefit overweight that throwback, especially when stabilized is the performance as a key. Thank you. Thank you everyone for watching my video.